Today's feature Friday at Love Notions is the Pianoforte jumper, or Pinafore as you would call it in the UK. This is a pattern that was released around this time last year, and it's the first time it's been featured on a Friday, which means it's great value for $6. There's plenty of options here. You can sew the front simple, or you can have a full zipper front. I can't really do the full zipper at this point because I don't have such a long zipper, so my two versions just have the regular front. There's a deep V on the front and the back. It's meant to be worn with layers underneath, of course. The neckline and the armholes are finished with really clean, neat burrito finishes. There's a type of princess seams that comes from here, and these really easy to sew, nice pockets. The fit is not supposed to be super tight. It's meant to be nice and loose, but sort of follow your shape. You know, it's meant to be something you wear on top of another thing. I had a big think about this and figured out I could make one of these work for summer and for winter. And my other one is specifically for winter. It's made out of a wool suiting. It's fully lined. I even have a full detailed sew along on Patreon around this pattern. And I've also got a helpful tutorial on YouTube. There's a lot of support you can get from Lifting Pins and Needles over here for this pattern. I'll leave you my affiliate link in the description box at the top of the comment section pinned. Now I'm going to show you both of mine so you can really see the details. This is my first Pianoforte jumper from Love Notions. This is a cotton twill. Love this print in blue. I've sewn a size large mainly. I've done length adjustments above the waist and below for it to hit above my knee. Very nice amount of ease at the waist, the hips, the pockets are very comfortable. It's just a really comfy fit that you can pull on over your head and wear nicely. Up closer you can see the slanted pocket opening right there. These pockets are easy to sew, they don't add bulk, they have quite a large space for you to put things in there if you're going to use the pockets. I'll probably just use them to put my hands inside. These are approved by me, love them. Deep V, now you might think this is a tank, but it's actually just a sports bra with a higher neckline. So this is how I can get away with being fresh when it's really hot and not having to put a t-shirt or an actual layer underneath. Love this option. With no one would ever know it's a sports bra. They would just think I'm wearing a tank. There is that little seam that goes on the bust from above the neckline. I think it fits really well. I'm happy with the armhole coverage and everything. Turned out better than I thought it would. This fabric has me very happy. I'm so glad I was able to make this work for hot weather. Into a little bit more winter styling, and I have my Arlington top. This is also from Love Notions in a stretch suede. Lovely cow neckline that just drapes over that V neckline of the pinafore. Some blue booties that I really love, and I think this is great. This would be amazing for me for autumn and winter. Again, I'm just happy I have options. I'm glad I was able to think this outfit up because I was looking around and seeing what could go, and this turned out amazing. Love it. This is my second Pianoforte jumper, same size, all the same fitting adjustments as the other one, this time in a wool blend suiting material. Not the kindest to the skin, so I've done something different on the inside and lined it fully. I've got a really nice shirt underneath with some plaid print. I think it looks really pretty with a little silk scarf and matching boots. I love how this outfit turned out, and you can see the fit is nice and comfortable. I've used a cotton lawn for the inside of the pocket pieces there, and I'm also going to show you the inside. Look at that colorful print. No one's going to ever know because I've understitched and top stitched, so it's nicely hidden away. And there you can see the lining fabric is the same on the inside, so I have two layers there. Lovely. Love the deep V's. I think they're really pretty and really showcase whatever layer you've chosen to pair up with your jumper. This color, what can I say? One of my faves, makes me super happy. And this is something I'm going to wear in autumn and winter. There's no way I could pull this off in the summer. I'm so happy I have this to wear in a couple of months when it cools down. I think the pattern is really cute. If you think outside the box a little bit, this can be for summer as well. You can see I've worn mine with sports bras, have high necklines and things, so you can't really tell. It's the best thing because I'm not wearing extra layers underneath my blue version, and I think it's the best thing. I also love my winter version. I'm going to take it with me on a trip I've been hinting about. I'm going to have a pretty extended stay in a wintry place at the end of the year. And all these things that I have a hard time wearing here in Brazil where it gets hot, I'm going to be really able to enjoy. So look out for my winter version styled many ways in other places in the future. I'm very excited for that. Go ahead, grab this pattern. It's a fun one. And it's Feature Friday, best time to get it. I'm going to see you very soon with an amazing red dress, so don't miss out. See you then. Bye.